Welcome back to another enlightening episode of our journey through intermittent fasting. In today's discussion, we delve into a topic that's essential for our well-being: intermittent fasting and hydration. Join us as we explore the significance of managing fluid intake during fasting windows to ensure optimal health and vitality. The vital role of hydration. Hydration is a cornerstone of good health, supporting numerous bodily functions, from regulating body temperature to aiding digestion and maintaining cognitive function. Intermittent fasting introduces a unique context for managing hydration, requiring mindful attention to fluid intake during fasting periods. Fasting and dehydration risk fasting periods can potentially increase the risk of dehydration, especially if fluid intake is not adequately monitored. Dehydration can lead to a range of issues, including headaches, fatigue, dizziness, and impaired physical and cognitive performance. Strategies for hydration during fasting. To maintain optimal hydration while practicing intermittent fasting, consider these strategies. 1. Prioritize water intake. Water should be your primary source of hydration. Sip water throughout the fasting window to ensure a steady intake. 2. Herbal teas and infusions. Unsweetened herbal teas and infusions can provide flavorful hydration without breaking your fast. Opt for caffeine-free options to avoid disrupting your fasting state. 3. Electrolyte balance. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium play a crucial role in hydration. Incorporate electrolyte-rich foods or supplements to maintain balance. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Many fruits and vegetables have high water content, making them excellent choices to support hydration during eating windows. 5. Avoid excessive caffeine. While moderate caffeine intake can be part of a fasting routine, excessive caffeine can have diuretic effects, potentially contributing to dehydration. 6. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals. Thirst is a natural indicator of hydration needs. Drink water when you're thirsty. 7. Balanced eating windows. Adequate hydration can be best achieved during eating windows. Prioritize water-rich foods and hydrating beverages to replenish fluids. 8. Hydration at suhoor and iftar. For those observing fasting during religious practices, ensure that hydration is a focus during pre-dawn, suhoor, and post-sunset iftar meals. 9. Monitor urine. Color. Urine color can offer insights into your hydration status. Aim for pale yellow urine as an indicator of adequate hydration. 10. Individual needs. Hydration needs vary based on factors such as activity level, climate, and personal health conditions. Tailor your hydration approach to your specific circumstances. Balancing hydration and fasting goals. While maintaining hydration is essential, it's crucial to strike a balance between hydration and fasting goals. Aim to stay hydrated without compromising the integrity of your fasting periods. Hydration as a holistic practice. Hydration is a holistic practice that extends beyond fasting. Prioritize hydration not only during fasting but throughout your daily life to support overall well-being. Educating about hydration. Promote awareness about the importance of hydration during intermittent fasting. Encourage mindful fluid intake to foster a health-conscious community. Long-term health benefits. Consistently staying hydrated contributes to long-term health benefits, including improved digestion, skin health, and cognitive function. In conclusion, managing hydration during intermittent fasting is a crucial aspect of maintaining optimal health and well-being. By implementing mindful strategies, prioritizing water intake, and balancing hydration with fasting goals, you can navigate your fasting journey while nurturing your body with the essential fluid it needs. Thank you for joining us on this informative excursion. Stay tuned for more valuable insights into intermittent fasting and its multifaceted implications. Until next time, let us quench our body's thirst for wellness through conscious hydration practices that harmonize with our fasting aspirations.